Kasi nagbigay siya ng mga linya na supposedly or allegedly ay yun daw yung dahilan kung bakit meron silang basehan ng pagpapablock dun sa dalawang publishing na group na yun. At nagsabi siya ng mga quotes from certain articles. Gusto lang namin malaman na Attorney Joshua kung meron na ba kayong reaction dito dun sa allegation na yun.
Unfortunately, hindi ko narinig yung sinabi ni Yusek Badoy. Although I was able to read the statement of General Esperon himself,
Yes.
explaining kung bakit niya ginawa yung request or directive doon sa NPC. And I was able to gather him citing actually 2 articles from Pinoy Weekly. One by Priscilla Pamintuan about the armed struggle ng CPP-NPA. According to Esperon, advocacy daw yun of the whatever the CPP-NPA is fighting for. Pero klaro naman kung babasahin mo yung articles, based naman siya sa historic facts. And there was no advocacy whatsoever because the reporters were merely quoting what the CPP-NPA said in a statement. No? And kung gagamitin din natin yung prevailing test sa ating batas dito sa Pilipinas, meron tayong tinatawag na clear and present danger test. Yan yung dapat ma-hurdle bago ma-censor ang isang speech or expression. And kung babasahin natin yung mga artikulong yun, magiging mga nilalaman ng mga iba pang websites like Bulatlat and the others, like Bayan, nakasama dun sa listahan ng NPC. We don't see any incitement to lawless action na imminent. Ibig sabihin, not only is it serious, kung hindi, malapit na mangyari. Very imminent. So it's a question of degree and proximity. Wala tayong nakikitang gano'n, no? In fact, yung mga websites na subjected to a censorship are all protected speech or expression. So this is impermissible or invalid censorship.
Tsaka attorney, di po ba sa anti-terror law ay kapag na-tag or na-designate as terrorist yung isang tao or isang body, ay ang mangyayari ay i-freeze lang yung bank accounts or freezing of assets. Pero walang sinasabi na pwedeng i-block. Like, for example, this one, blocking of the website.
Yes, that's correct. No? That's a good observation. Tinignan namin talaga yung Anti-Terrorism Act from cover to cover, dun sa buong text, wala talaga akong makita na any power of the APC or any other government agency to label individuals or organizations as quote-unquote affiliated in supporting terrorism, terrorist or terrorist organizations, much less to order the blocking of their website. Yung designation, tama ka, ano lang yan, ang effect lang yan, and this was clearly established during the APA petitions, yung Calleja versus Executive Secretary, ng epekto lang yan is to authorize the inquiry into bank deposits and or to freeze assets of designated organizations or individuals.
Attorney, prior nung order ng NTC na i-block yung website ng Bulatlat at yung mga kasama, was there any coordination from the NTF-LCAC dun po sa inyong organisasyon to ask for explanation?
There was none. Actually, nalaman lamang ng Bulatlat dahil may nag-message sa kanila last June 17, a concerned reader na nagsasabing hindi ko na ma-access yung website ninyo. Tapos they made inquiries and they found out na ito pala yung naging basis for the blocking of their website by certain telcos. Sinusunod lang nila yung order na in-issue ng NTC dated June 8, and apparently this was based on a letter request by the National Security Council signed by the NSA General Esperon.
Base po kasi doon sa parang konteksto kung bakit po na block yung website, ang sinasabi po kasi nagagamit ito bilang propaganda at saka pang collection daw po ng pondo para doon sa mga grupo ng komunista sa CPP-NPA. Paano nyo po ipapaliwanag to? Ang Bulatlat po ba? Ang inyo po bang grupo ay in a way konektado sa CPP-NPA para po klaro?
They're not. Okay, they are an alternative news organization that has been existent for decades now. Sila yung pioneer dito sa Pilipinas, for alternative media organizations online. At ang kanilang binabalita ay yung perspektiba ng mga marginalized at mga oppressed na sektor. Lagi silang naglilimbag ng mga analysis, mga storya tungkol sa usapin ng karapatang pantao, pati mga iba pang issue na hindi lagi napag-usapan sa dominant media. And if you look at their content, these are all legitimate at wala kayong makikita talagang kahit anong illegal. There is no solicitation whatsoever for funds for any so-called terrorist organization. So they are completely above ground, legitimate, and member of the press.
Just want to get your pananaw dito sa sinabi ng Supreme Court nung about the anti-terror law, kasi ito yung punot dulo nito. Sabi ng Supreme Court kasi nung inuphold nila yung constitutionality ng anti-terror law, the court must emphasize this holding will not and should not preclude subsequent challenges by individuals or groups who may in the future eventually come before this court once again to assail the constitutionality of their unresolved provisions in the law. So ang tanong ko po, pwede pa bang i-challenge itong anti-terror law?
Yes. Marami kasing provisions yan, no, na hindi lahat na-resolva during the proceedings, no, doon sa Calleja versus Executive Secretary. Ang pinupunto dyan ng Supreme Court, pwede basta may actual case at mayroong actual injury ng sino mang partido na maka-experience ng damage o paglabag sa ilalim ng mga provision ng Anti-Terrorism Act. They did not foreclose that possibility. So definitely, parties can still come to court and challenge provisions of the APA.
May balak po ba tayong gawin after this? Kasi yung basehan or sinasabi nilang basehan is, I guess, is not sufficient for you. Ano pong next steps natin?
Okay. So ang immediate na pinaplano namin gawin together with our clients is to challenge this NPC order by filing a petition for its nullification. It's normally under a petition for certiorari and prohibition, no? At kasabayan na rin namin ng prayer for a writ of preliminary injunction para kagyat maibalik, no, sa internet itong mga websites na kasalukuyang nakablock ngayon. As for the challenge to the other appealed provisions of the APA, inaaral pa namin. Pero hindi namin talaga binibitawan, we are still considering it as a possible complementary legal